Hi there. I've been struggling lately with how difficult things seem to be in the world these days. With the pandemic, the divisive political climate in the US, the lack of safety and equity and respect for all people, and the general uncertainty and chaos that we are all attempting to navigate while keeping our sanity. Maybe you feel the same way. I'm Lisa Gottlieb, a certified trainer with the Center for Nonviolent Communication, and I'm here with my friend, colleague, and co-trainer, Francois Beausoleil.
Thanks, Lisa. I'm Francois Beausoleil. I'm also a certified trainer with the Center for Nonviolent Communication. And as Lisa mentioned, yes, these are troubling times. And many people are concerned with how to move forward with family, friends, co-workers, and neighbors with dignity, understanding, and grace when there's so much we're dealing with. Lisa and I are here to invite you to a couple of upcoming programs that are designed to offer practical and helpful tools to communicate in an easier and more effective way, using the tools of nonviolent communication.
Yes, we are happy to be offering a one-day online workshop opportunity to delve into how NVC can increase your ability to speak in ways that are easier for other people to listen, to give you methods to remain calm and centered even when you are frustrated and furious, and to learn how to take a stand for what is important to you without contributing to more conflict or disconnect with others. You will walk away from this day-long program with practical tools and pro tips you can start to use right away.
And in addition to this day-long workshop, we are thrilled to be offering our 6th NVC immersion program, an 8-month intensive online course with a built-in community to support your journey towards more self-acceptance, more practical ways to lessening conflicts and building agreement, and life-changing practices to support you, making your life more wonderful, and also making the lives of other people around you more wonderful.
It's pretty exciting that this is our 6th edition of our program, and we have a built-in community that is warm and welcoming. And there are so many opportunities to learn and share and support each other. So please check out the details of our program offerings at greatlakesnvc.com. And Francois and I look forward to seeing you. Thanks.